Hi everyone. Well, today I think I'm going to get some planking for the landing on the stairs. Yep, the amount of time I've been, excuse me, I need that tea, up and down that ladder. Yeah, it's not ideal, so we're going to get that planked out today. At least what I can do is put the ladders the opposite way. They won't be so steep and they won't be so high, and I can step out onto the landing and round and up till I'll get all the treads on the stretchers done. But first it's a trip to the tip. The tip is next to the builder's merchant, so one load away and one back. Two birds with one stone. So I've got rid of all the rubbish out the trailer. Now we come to pick the timber up. Yep, I'm probably going to have to sort through this. Sometimes there's a lot of damaged ones, splits and mouldy. Yeah. Okay, let's go through that pile. I only managed to get 6 in the end, the rest was split and not very good. So we're going to deck this level out, just make it a bit more user friendly. I've cut some boards in half just to lay out at the moment, so it makes it safe for me to work on. Right, let's get going. Yeah, I guess I'm pushing me luck up and down this ladder all the time, so it'd be nice to step up onto here. At least I can get off safely. These are not very good actually. So what I'm going to do is just lay them out. They overhang the end, but that's okay, I'm not cutting them to length just yet. Just want to see how it flows up here, work out the best design. Now I'm going to screw these into place so there's no traps. It'd just be nice to step onto something flat, level and safe. I think it's the flattest, levelest floor in here. I've been up and down this ladder so many times and you kind of take it for granted, but you've only got to really slip, haven't you? Yeah. So we get this screwed down. Let's get the joist marked. Now they're tacked in place temporarily. Next we're going to move on to this section. Now the boards change direction, they're going to run that way. Even just stepping up onto that one feels a lot safer. Lift this one over, make sure that's in place. We'll strike a line across these here and then we'll cut them off, and then that way it'll be a nice neat join. Yeah, I've got to work out how to do this section underneath. Come back to just about finishes on that. Okay, can cut these off. Now I think in this area here, that'd be rather nice as an open kind of shelf. It's this area underneath here. Now what I can do is frame it out and run our boards right the way into there, into the wall, and from left to right. Yeah, that'd be a good use of that space, I think. A recessed cubby hole. I'm happy with the way that flows. That's what we'll do. Get this one marked and cut, get all these fixed down, and we can work out what way forward we're going to go with this area here. Originally I was going to rest both of the boards, one on half of this one, touching that there, but then I thought, no, I'm not happy with that, so I've put another noggin in there, just got to fix it. That way it's going to give it a bit more strength in that area. So it's this extra noggin here that I've just got to fix. Certainly got to work out today, up and down the stairs. You've got to expect a few minor alterations or additions as you go along. That's much better. Now that when this runs into this one, it's got its own noggin or joist to sit on. I wasn't happy really to split it, although you could do. For the sake of how long it took and the cost, just put another one in. Right, let's get them cut and fixed in. Oh, it started to rain, my tools are outside. Let's pack away and set up indoors. Always the way you set up, looks nice out there. Well, that is all the full lengths I've got to put in. We've got some offcuts. I suppose we'll drop back downstairs and we'll fill in around the joist where it goes into the wall. Yeah, make use of all those offcuts. So even though we're not going to see this section because there's going to be the ceiling coming off of the underside here, we're going to fix another perimeter timber across there, one above to make the top of the shelf, but I've got the offcut, so we might as well close it all in. have the ability to remove these should I need to for insulation, cabling or anything else. Well, that is it from me on this very wet day here in Normandy. See you in the next one. Bye for now.